Hello and welcome to my channel Craft Lovers. Today I am going to making a twist and turn card. I am giving you a very easy method to make it. You can also use it as a scrapbook page. Share, like and subscribe to my channel for more ideas. Let's make it. Take a 21 by 21 centimeters drawing sheet. We will bend it from the middle as shown. We will divide it into 4 equal parts as I am doing. The other side we will do the same. Now fold it carefully as shown in the video. Fold all the sides. You have to fold it properly as I am doing. Fold all the sides. Now it is ready. Don't forget to like my video. Decorate it. Take a 22 by 11 centimeters drawing sheet and fold it from 5.5 centimeter distance from both sides. Now paste card on it. And decorate it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Craft Lovers. Thanks for watching my video.